Marriage is a journey filled with growth, challenges, and changes. Over time, relationships evolve, and the initial spark may seem to fade. Some wives notice a shift in their husband's behavior, from warmth and affection to indifference or even resentment. This change can be confusing and painful, leaving many to wonder what went wrong. Understanding the reasons behind this shift is crucial. Is it the result of lifestyle changes, unmet emotional needs, or simply the passage of time? Communication breakdowns, the pressures of parenting, and unresolved conflicts can all play a role. As responsibilities grow, couples may drift apart without realizing it. This discussion will explore why some husbands develop negative feelings toward their wives as they age. It will also shed light on how these challenges manifest in a marriage and what steps can be taken to restore love, respect, and connection. A fulfilling relationship is possible with awareness and effort. Physical attraction is a natural part of any romantic relationship, but it evolves over time. As people age, their bodies change. Weight gain, wrinkles, and graying hair are all part of the process. While these changes are normal, they can sometimes affect the way a husband perceives his wife. Society places a strong emphasis on physical appearance, and if attraction was largely based on looks in the early years of marriage, these natural transformations may cause emotional distance. In the beginning, relationships are often fueled by strong physical attraction and excitement. However, long-term love is built on much more than appearances. If a couple has not developed a deep emotional bond, a fading physical attraction can create frustration or disinterest. On the other hand, when love is based on shared values, emotional support, and meaningful connection, changes in appearance matter far less. Lifestyle choices also play a role in attraction. A lack of self-care, poor health habits, or a decrease in personal grooming can impact the way spouses see each other. However, attraction is not just about physical looks. It is also about energy, confidence, and emotional connection. When partners prioritize their well-being, maintain an active lifestyle, and take care of themselves, they not only feel better, but also enhance their connection. Shifting the focus from physical attraction to emotional and physical intimacy can help couples maintain closeness. Engaging in shared activities, spending quality time together, and expressing affection regularly strengthens the bond. Simple gestures like holding hands, complimenting each other, and making time for meaningful conversations can rekindle attraction. A marriage built on trust, love, and mutual care remains strong even as physical appearances change. Communication is the foundation of any strong marriage, but over time, meaningful conversations can start to fade. In the early years, couples often talk about everything: dreams, goals, and feelings. But as life gets busier with responsibilities, work, and family, those deep discussions may become rare. Instead of sharing emotions, conversations might revolve around household tasks or daily routines. When meaningful dialogue disappears, misunderstandings build, and small frustrations turn into bigger issues. Emotional neglect can also play a role in communication breakdown. A husband may feel that his wife no longer listens to his concerns or appreciates his efforts. At the same time, a wife may feel unacknowledged, unheard, or emotionally distant from her partner. When neither feels emotionally supported, resentment can grow, making it even harder to connect. Over time, the lack of communication can create an emotional gap, making both partners feel lonely, even while living under the same roof. They may start to feel like strangers, simply coexisting rather than sharing a life together. The warmth and closeness they once had might seem like a distant memory, leaving both feeling unfulfilled. Rebuilding communication requires intentional effort. Taking time for regular check-ins can help couples express their feelings and concerns before they turn into larger conflicts. Open and honest conversations create a safe space for both partners to share without fear of judgment. Active listening, truly hearing and understanding each other, can help rebuild emotional closeness. Simple gestures like expressing appreciation, asking about each other's day, or reminiscing about good memories can make a big difference. When couples prioritize meaningful conversations, they can strengthen their connection and bring back the emotional intimacy that once brought them together. As the years pass, many marriages settle into a predictable rhythm. Daily responsibilities, raising children, managing finances, and balancing work can take priority over romance. What once felt exciting and spontaneous can become routine and monotonous. While stability is important in a relationship, a lack of excitement can make both partners feel like they are merely going through the motions rather than truly enjoying each other's presence. Over time, couples may start taking each other for granted. A husband may begin to see his wife more as a co-parent or a housemate rather than as a romantic partner. When effort and intentionality fade, so does passion. Small romantic gestures, thoughtful conversations, and quality time together may become rare, leading to emotional and physical distance. Without change, this pattern can make both partners feel unfulfilled. Breaking out of this cycle requires conscious effort. Date nights, shared hobbies, and new experiences can help reignite excitement. Exploring fresh activities together, whether it's traveling, trying a new sport, or taking up a shared interest, can bring back a sense of adventure. Revisiting early memories and discussing long-term dreams can also remind couples of what initially brought them together. A marriage thrives when both partners continue to nurture their bond rather than allowing routine to take over. Becoming parents is one of the most significant changes a couple can experience. While children bring joy and fulfillment, they also introduce new responsibilities that can shift the balance in a marriage. The focus often shifts from the relationship to parenting duties, leaving little time for connection between husband and wife. Many fathers feel disconnected as mothers devote more time and energy to the children, unintentionally creating emotional distance. For many women, motherhood becomes a dominant part of their identity, sometimes overshadowing their role as a wife. While caring for children is deeply fulfilling, neglecting the marital relationship can lead to frustration on both sides. A husband who feels sidelined may withdraw, leading to further disconnection. Over time, the marriage can feel like a business partnership centered around raising kids rather than a romantic relationship. Another challenge is the imbalance of responsibilities. In many traditional households, mothers take on the majority of child-rearing and emotional labor, which can lead to exhaustion and resentment. When one partner feels overburdened, frustration builds, creating tension in the relationship. To maintain a strong marriage while parenting, couples must prioritize their connection. Scheduling time for each other without the kids allows for meaningful conversations and romance to continue. Sharing parenting responsibilities helps prevent one partner from feeling overwhelmed or underappreciated. Even small gestures of affection and moments of intimacy can strengthen the bond, reminding both partners that their relationship is just as important as their role as parents. Emotional intimacy is just as important as physical connection in a marriage. When emotional needs go unmet, a deep sense of dissatisfaction can grow, creating distance between partners. Many couples start their marriage with strong emotional bonds, regularly expressing love, support, and appreciation. However, as years go by, these exchanges can become less frequent. Without intentional effort, emotional neglect can take root, leaving both partners feeling disconnected. One of the biggest dangers in a long-term relationship is the assumption that love is understood without the need for verbal or emotional reinforcement. Some husbands and wives believe that their affection should be obvious through their actions, but love that is not actively expressed may begin to feel absent. Without words of affirmation, genuine appreciation, or meaningful gestures, a partner may feel taken for granted. Over time, this emotional void can lead to loneliness, frustration, and a lack of fulfillment. When a husband feels emotionally neglected, he may begin to withdraw. Instead of expressing his needs, he might choose silence, leading to even greater emotional distance. Likewise, a wife who does not feel emotionally valued may begin to question her role in the relationship, leading to resentment. In both cases, a lack of emotional connection can create tension, causing small issues to feel much larger than they are. Restoring emotional intimacy requires effort from both partners. Honest discussions about emotional needs can help bridge the gap, allowing both spouses to express what makes them feel loved and valued. Regular appreciation, whether through kind words, small gestures, or quality time, helps rekindle closeness. Creating a space where both partners feel heard and understood strengthens emotional bonds, making the marriage more fulfilling and resilient. At what point does love stop feeling like love? What truly makes someone feel valued in a relationship? Let's explore this together. What are your thoughts on emotional neglect in long-term relationships? Every marriage faces disagreements, but when conflicts go unresolved, they can build into long-term resentment. Over time, unaddressed issues accumulate, creating emotional distance and bitterness. Common sources of tension include financial stress, unequal division of household duties, and unmet expectations. While some couples work through these problems together, others choose to avoid difficult conversations, hoping issues will resolve themselves. Unfortunately, avoidance rarely leads to resolution. It often deepens the divide. Many couples fear conflict, believing that discussing disagreements will only lead to more fights. As a result, problems get pushed aside and emotions remain bottled up. However, ignoring conflict does not make it disappear. Instead, resentment festers, making even small frustrations feel overwhelming. When partners avoid difficult conversations for too long, reconnecting becomes much harder. Healthy conflict resolution involves addressing problems as they arise rather than allowing them to build. Open communication, where both partners feel safe expressing their thoughts without fear of blame or criticism, is key. Instead of attacking each other, focusing on the issue at hand helps create solutions rather than deepen wounds. Learning to listen, compromise, and find common ground ensures that both partners feel respected and valued. When couples work through their differences with understanding, they strengthen their marriage rather than allowing conflicts to pull them apart. At some point in middle age, many individuals begin to reassess their lives, questioning their happiness, achievements, and overall sense of fulfillment. This period of self-reflection, often referred to as a midlife crisis, can significantly impact a marriage. A husband who once felt content may suddenly wonder if he has made the right choices, including in his relationship. This internal struggle can lead to emotional shifts, causing tension between partners. During this phase, a husband might feel that his wife has changed or that he is missing something in life. He may seek excitement or purpose in new ways, sometimes withdrawing emotionally or becoming more irritable. In some cases, he may express dissatisfaction with aspects of the marriage that never seemed to bother him before. Disillusionment can set in, making the relationship feel less fulfilling than it once was. Navigating a midlife crisis as a couple requires patience, understanding, and open communication. Rather than dismissing or criticizing these feelings, both partners should discuss their personal growth and evolving needs. Acknowledging these concerns without judgment helps maintain trust and connection. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor can also provide clarity and guidance. Instead of letting this period create distance, couples can use it as an opportunity to support each other's personal fulfillment while strengthening their bond. Outside pressures such as work demands, financial struggles, and health issues can take a toll on a marriage. The stress from these challenges often spills into the relationship, affecting emotional availability and patience. When daily life becomes overwhelming, couples may unintentionally disconnect, prioritizing survival over emotional connection. A husband dealing with career setbacks or financial burdens may feel unsupported, especially if he struggles to express his emotions. Instead of opening up, he may become distant or irritable, making it harder for his wife to understand what he is going through. On the other hand, a wife experiencing her own stresses, whether from work, family obligations, or personal concerns, may also withdraw emotionally if she feels neglected or unheard. When both partners are overwhelmed, resentment can build, leading to further isolation. The key to managing external stresses is maintaining a sense of partnership. Facing challenges together rather than individually strengthens the marriage. Simple gestures, such as offering encouragement, actively listening, or showing appreciation, can make a significant difference. Couples who prioritize their relationship despite external pressures are more likely to navigate difficulties successfully. Creating time for one another, even in the midst of stress, reinforces the idea that their bond is a source of support rather than an additional burden. Feeling unappreciated in a marriage can create deep emotional distance. When one or both partners feel undervalued, resentment can slowly build, weakening the bond they once shared. Over time, the small efforts that once seemed special, whether it's preparing a meal, handling responsibilities, or offering emotional support, may start to go unnoticed. When appreciation fades, it can leave a spouse feeling invisible, as though their contributions no longer matter. Many couples unintentionally take each other for granted, not because they don't care, but because they assume their partner already knows they are valued. However, love and appreciation must be actively expressed, not just assumed. A husband who works hard to support his family may feel unnoticed if his efforts are never acknowledged. A wife who manages the home and family may feel overlooked if her dedication is never recognized. When appreciation is lacking, frustration can grow, making the marriage feel more like an obligation than a loving partnership. Expressing gratitude regularly strengthens the emotional connection between spouses. Simple words like "thank you" can have a powerful impact, reminding each partner that their efforts are seen and valued. Small gestures of kindness, like a thoughtful note, a compliment, or an unexpected act of service, help reinforce appreciation in everyday life. Beyond words, actions also play a vital role in showing appreciation. Physical affection, spending quality time together, and acknowledging each other's hard work create a supportive and loving environment. Celebrating even the smallest contributions fosters positivity and reinforces the idea that both partners are working toward a shared life. When appreciation is a consistent part of a marriage, it strengthens the foundation of love and respect, ensuring that both partners feel valued and fulfilled. Marriage goes through different phases, and various factors can contribute to feelings of dissatisfaction over time. Emotional distance, changes in physical attraction, unresolved conflicts, and external pressures can all affect how a husband perceives his wife as they grow older. These shifts do not happen overnight, but develop gradually, often without either partner realizing the impact. Understanding these influences is the first step toward positive change. While these challenges may seem overwhelming, they do not mean a marriage is beyond repair. With open communication, mutual effort, and a willingness to adapt, couples can strengthen their connection and bring back warmth and affection. Love is not just about the past, it is about continuous growth and commitment. Recognizing signs of discontent early allows couples to take action before problems deepen. Small efforts, expressing appreciation, addressing emotional needs, and prioritizing the relationship can make a significant difference in keeping love strong and fulfilling.